Now I'm at Southshields Pleasure Park, and I'll take you around to have a look what they got here.
Just crossing the road safely and getting to the beginning of the Ocean Beach at Southshields. It's a lovely sunny day, quite busy in here, free entry, but you do have to pay for the rides individually and obviously the food and drink.
Over here we've got your candy floss, your lollies, burgers, hot dogs, you've got your dummies, got your burgers. And you got your twister.
There's a lot of rides in here. You've got them for adults and you've got them for children and younger, toddlers I would say, and listen to them having fun. Oh my god, the one I'm coming up to, there is no way I could go on that. Oh, they must be mad going around. Look how fast it's going.
And then it slows right down to this. They must be mad. When you get in them, they float them up, and then you walk around on the water. Well, try to anyway, because you fall over all the time. One's a children's ride, and obviously adults can go on to keep them company if they get a bit scared. It comes around slowly. You can see it going around there, and what it does, it goes around there, and then it gets ready for the big fall. Over there, here it goes, ready? Oh, it goes slow. Yeah, little faces, they love it. And then you've got the swing one. It tilts.
And the one in distance that I'm getting closer to, that's the swing one that we saw at the very beginning that wasn't working, and this is what it does when it does work. Wow.
And the children love it. Goes up, round, and swing right out. Another food stall. And you've got to try your luck. And then you got this one. Oh. And then you got your ghost train over there. More little things to buy. And this is the little children's one. The adults one goes a lot faster than this. The bump up and down goes fast. Let me go around here. The children's rides are my rides. I like the children's ones. Where you can buy all your little knickknacks, balls, perfume ones, scratch them, they smell, and you've got hats. Gosh. That's a little children's one from little toddlers. And then you've got the little children's big wheel, sit in it. Goes up and around. Got your bouncy castle. You got your fun house. Got your helter skelter, go up the top and then you go all the way round to the bottom on a mat. And then you got the pirate boat. Goes quite high. And then you got your little, oh, they're really cool. They're good. Goes around and then also spins you around as you go around. Very fast. Which we saw earlier, going side to side, but it takes you quite high, and when you're on it, it feels like you're actually going to fall out, and it goes right up. This is for little kids, little tiny ones, go up and down, really slow. Decorated all different characters from Disney, Peppa Pig, Barbie. And that one there is your water game for children. You get the gun and you shoot it at the targets, water comes out. Hopefully it starts soon. Been on this one many years ago when I was younger. You definitely will not get me on it now. That's the one I mentioned before, squirts out water. Aim it at the different objects. Let's try your luck. Our little girls won a duck. There's a helicopter ride. And this is the little children's one. And I think this one just goes up a little bit. Just takes them off the floor, feel like they're flying in a helicopter. You've got your Batman, Spider-Man, Star Wars, Hulk, Frozen, little carriages. There we go. This is a little one playing, aiming it at the little things to make it spin and splash water everywhere. Another little stall, and this is all your young area where all your little children. This one takes them up, and then as it lets them go, it's the feeling in your belly of coming down. Feels like you're falling. I shouldn't laugh really. It's the feeling you get in your tummy when it goes all the way up, and then all of a sudden it drops. Well, after the fun fair, we decided to come down to the beach, which is just through, and this is what their seafront's like. I'll let you have a look. Tynemouth Priory. See if I can zoom in. That's at Tynemouth.
And Tynemouth is on the other side of the ocean. That's when you need to get the ferry over there.
And then this is their beach. It's all sand. Tide's gone out by the looks of things. And then you've got the cliffs in the distance there.
The blue square things you can see are their rubbish bins, which I think is really good. So that's me done for the day. I hope you liked the footage. Don't forget to put the thumbs up, leave a comment, and push the bell button to get notifications. Till next time, bye for now.